Hi, hello students. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Yes or no? I am also fine. Okay, no problem. We are seeing daily. Then we are discussing all the things and all. Uh, okay, okay. Now this today we are going to start the next lesson. Did you see the next lesson? What is the next lesson? Okay, see what is the next lesson? This is Roman numbers. Okay, this we are the third lesson is Roman numbers. We are going to discuss in Roman numbers how to represent using Roman numerals how to represent the numbers. Okay, before starting lesson I have to tell something to you. See here, first you will copy down all the following points in this presentation in your maths copy, and all the exercise given in the textbook you will do in the textbook itself. The space is there. You can solve all the problems exercise in your book itself. Okay, no need to write in the copy. This presentation, the notes what I have given in the presentation, that you will copy down in your maths copy. Okay. Okay, my YouTube channel name is, you already know, that is Nayana Reggie, and you subscribe the channel and like the channel also. Okay. Okay, let us start the lesson. So here we are discussing about how to represent numbers using Roman numeral system. Okay. Roman numeral system. In class, for representing the classes, we are normally using Roman numbers. Class 1, class 2, class 3, up to class 12. You know how to represent. We are not using normal 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? Normal 1, 2, 3. What is the name of that number system? That number system is also a name. You know that? If you don't know, some of them know and some of them don't know. Okay, that number system is called Hindu-Arabic number system. Okay, that the name is Hindu-Arabic number system, and another new number system is Roman numeral system. Okay, in all the languages, our own 1, 2, 3. In your language also 1, 2, 3 is there. Okay, but it is in our this state only we use. Then commonly we are not using. In commonly we use either Roman numeral or Hindu-Arabic numeral. That is commonly we use Hindu-Arabic numeral 1, 2, 3. Okay, in Hindu-Arabic numeral 10 digits are there. Those you know what are the digits in class. This first previous lesson we have that it is about number. It was about numbers, and we already discussed there are 10 digits, and using that 10 digits the whole numbers we make using that 10 digits. Yes or no? Like that in Roman numeral system also, for representing digits, here we are using the alphabets. Okay, here we use alphabets for representing the Roman numeral system. Okay, which are the alphabets we use for representing Roman numeral system, that we are going to discuss. Okay, in the alphabets we know 24 alphabets are there. All the alphabets we not use for representing the numbers. From that 7 letters only we use for representing in using Roman numeral system. Okay, making the Roman numbers we use 7 letters of alphabets. Okay, let us see what are they. Okay, I have given the this chart, letter and their numeric value. Okay, the letters you can see. You can see the letters. Which are the letters? 7 letters I have given here. Which are the letters that are? Okay, come. Let us discuss. I. What is the value of I? 1. V means 5. X means 10. L means 50. C means 100. D means 500. M means 1000. Okay, these are the 7 letters. You see which are the letters? I, V, X, L, C, D and M. The numeric value is also given here. Okay, in this chart. Okay, these 7 letters. Using these 7 letters we make all the numbers in Roman numeral. Okay, remember one thing. One important thing is there. There is no letter to represent 0 in the Roman number system. Okay, for representing 0, there is no way. Okay, for representing no letter is there for representing 0. Okay, so here you can see the 0 value is x 10. Okay, that is 0 is not there in Roman numeral system. Okay, for representing the number in Roman numeral, there are some rules. Okay. 3 rules are there. Mainly 3 rules are there. Okay, we can go the next page. That rules. Okay, first rule. What is the first rule? If a symbol is represented more than one time, then we add its numeric value that many times. What is the meaning of that? Okay, if a symbol is represented more than one time, okay, specify that more than one time. That means I am representing I. What is the meaning? That means we add its numeric value that many times. Okay, I, that is I comes 2 times. That means we add I means 1. That is 1. So 1 plus 1. What is the value? 2. Okay, I representing x. X means 10. That is x means 10 plus 10. That is 20. Like this way. Sorry, like this. Next, in 7 letter, all these 7 letters, some letters only we can repeat. Some letters we can't repeat. Okay, see which are the letters repeat and which are the letters we can't repeat. Here you see these letters. What are the letters? I, X, C and M can be repeated. Okay, only these letters. What are the letters? I, X, C and M can be repeated. And these letters, rest of the 3 letters, what are they? V, L and D, we can't repeat. Okay, these letters never repeated. Okay, that means 5, 50, 500. That letters, these letters never repeated. And one more important thing is there. A symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Maximum one symbol can come 3 times. Maximum 3 times can come one symbol. Okay. One symbol can come maximum 3 times. More than 3 times in a symbol cannot be repeated. Okay. See here. Next rule. What is the next rule? When a letter having smaller value is written to the right of a letter having greater value. See the example. Here V, I. Okay, we know the value of V is 5 and I is 1. Here the smaller value is written right of the bigger value. That means what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is add the numeric value of the smaller letter to the numeric value of the greater letter. Okay, what is the meaning? That this number, these values we will add for getting the number. Okay, that means 5 plus 1. What is the meaning? 5V plus I. That is 5 plus 1. That is what is 5 plus 1? 6. So, what is VI? That is representing 6. And here you see XI. That is X plus I. That is 10 plus 1, 11. Then XV. That is 10 plus 5 is 15. Here you see 3 times X then V. That means 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. The number is 35. That is the rule. So once more you see, when a letter having smaller value is written to the right of a letter having greater value. That time what you will do? You will add the that two values. Okay. Come the next rule. Okay. For next rule, when a letter having smaller value is written to the left of a letter. You see the example here, V, then left side I. What is the meaning of that and how to get the number here? That time what is the meaning? Subtract the numeric value of the smaller letter from the greater letter. Okay, what is the meaning? This meaning is we subtract the numeric value of greater. Okay, so numeric value of smaller from greater. That means here 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. That is for representing 4 we represent I V. Okay, V, then left side I. Then here you represent, here you see for representing 9 x, left side I, that means 10 minus 1. For representing 40 L x. Okay, that means 50 minus 10. This way we represent the number. Okay, what is the meaning? The left side a smaller value letter comes before a greater value. That means we subtract smaller from bigger. Okay, I hope it is very clear. Okay, next you come how to represent the number 1 to 50 using Roman numerals. I have clearly explained and given here, and where are the changes there, I have bolded there. You can see this one. Okay, 3, after 3 how to write 4? 4 means 5 minus 1. Okay, then how to write 9? 9 means 10 minus x. Then 20, 10 plus 10, 30, 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay, next you see for writing the 40, 50 minus 10. If we represent x, it is wrong, because one letter can maximum repeat 3 times. Okay, 4 times it never repeat. So for representing 40 we represent x minus xl. Okay, that means 50 minus 10, that form. Okay, I have written up to 50 here. You should learn how to represent, how to write in Roman numeral up to 50. And here one chart I have given 1 to 100. Okay, so a variation, where are the changes the comes, that I have clearly written. If you understand this much, you can easily write up to 100. Okay, so you learn and up to write up to 100 in using Roman numeral also. Okay, here I mean 1, 5, V means 5, x means 10, like that. 20 means 10 plus 10, that how to write xx. 30, 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is xxx. And 40 we will not repeat x 4 times, and for writing 40 we subtract 10 from 50, that is xl. So no, left side smaller number means we subtract bigger 50 minus 10. Okay, then for representing 60, 50 plus 10. So how to represent 50 we know, and plus means we write the letter, smaller value letter, right side of the bigger letter. Okay, like this we can represent the number. And for 90, see, next change comes in 90. 90 we represent 100 minus 10. 100 we know, C representing 100, and 100 minus 10. How to write? C, then left side x. Left side smaller letter means it we subtract. Okay, left side smaller letter means subtract, right side smaller letter means plus. Okay, that is the rules in Roman for writing Roman numeral system. Okay, is it clear? I hope it is very clear, and you learn to write up to 100 and copy down all these the notes in your maths copy and solve the exercise. And in this class also we can discuss all these things. Okay, thank you. See you the next lesson.